Here are the majority of my recent gachapon purchase in Japan this month. Gachapon or capsule toys are very popular in Japan. Just like the vending machines, there are hundreds and thousands of gachapon machines scattered all over in Japan. If you are a mini car collector, you are in luck. There are a wide range of mini car around from different makers. Let's start from the 1:32 Suzuki High Scooter from State of the Art, which is the maker. I got this just for fun, which I hope I can get a secret. First impression, the quality of the scooter is just so-so. Nothing much to shout about. You have to assemble the steering yourself to maneuver the wheels, which is very simple. The downside is it's very loose and gluing may be required. Next is the 1:24 Aoshima Honda Monkey or Gorilla series, which is very interesting. Just like the scooter, it's very fragile and very small, but in terms of quality, it's way better. The finishing is also fantastic, with plenty of details for this Honda Monkey. The whole bike is carefully painted, and this will sit very well with my 1:12 Honda Monkey, which I assemble and paint myself, and it's really a good buy. Next, the Nippon traffic signal, which I finally found it. These are very hard to find and hard to come by because it's not a new release. It was released last year. I remember I tried to look for it in Japan last year, I couldn't find it. And I'm very happy to saw it in Yamada, in Ikebukuro. It consists of the green and red light for the motorist and pedestrian, and also a button to trigger the green light for the pedestrian. With my first try, I got the button for the pedestrian, which is not already wanted, but it still looks fun. And with the second try, I'm very happy to get the red light for motorists, which is what I really wanted. This will look very nice just for novelty's sake or accessories to hang onto your backpack. Next is a very interesting gachapon from Epoch, and that's the Crush Dummy series with the go-kart. The yellow Crush Dummy is what I really wanted, and it also comes with a very simple assembly guide. And here you are the highly posable Crush Dummies on the go-kart, which looks very nice. I'm not very sure what is the scale as it's not stated, but it looks huge. You can also add on airbags on the steering wheels should it crash. I think it's a very fun and interesting gachapon, and the Crush Dummies is highly posable. Next is the Aoshima Suzuki Jimny JB64. I do not have the mini catalog as I passed it to my friend by mistake, and although it's not die-cast, this Suzuki Jimny packs a punch of details, and this casting definitely looks realistic with all the fine painted details. Next is the Aoshima Suzuki Jimny SJ30. 5 colors are available in this series. I hope I can get the blue body color, but nope, I get the tan color instead, and that's okay. And it shares the same amount of details as the earlier version that looks highly realistic. And lastly is the latest Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. It does look really like an Aoshima make, but it's not. The maker is from Korokoro, which I never heard of. Although this casting is not in die cast, it looks fantastic. In my opinion, the details are much better than the Suzuki Jimny, and it looks highly realistic with all the fine details. The maker has invested a lot of attention into the details, and that's great. Although this costs 100 yen more than the Aoshima Suzuki Jimny, I think it's a really good buy. However, as this cruiser is in plastic and not in die cast, I feel less compelled to complete the set. But overall, for 400 yen, I still think it's a very good buy. More videos coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!